Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to fix app not install issue in Android phone. So friends, you can see I'm trying to install app and it's showing here, for your security your phone is not allowed to install unknown app from this source. So what I have to do, let me tell you how to resolve this issue. Okay, it's a general issue. You will get error when you are going to install from other source like Chrome, WhatsApp, other things. So it will show error like this. Okay, so how to resolve this, let me tell you. First of all, we have to go to settings. So friends, first of all we have to go to settings and then tap here privacy protection and tap to special permission. Now here you can see install unknown app. Okay, on install unknown app, and second way we have to go to, you can go to, just type here unknown app. So you will get this option, install unknown app. Just tap here, then you will get this option, install unknown app. Just tap here. So you can see here I am going to, this is my, we have to find out here Chrome. Scroll up and find here Chrome. Okay, you can see Chrome not allow. Just tap here and we have to allow from this source. Just tap here and you will ask, and now it will warn you to install app from unknown source is a highly sensitive permission. Okay, so friends, now we have to select here to aware all possible risks. Now click on OK. Okay, now you can see allow from this source, install app unknown. Now you can see install unknown app, allow from this source. Your phone or personal data are more vulnerable to attack by unknown app, so we have to allow this. Okay, now second option is here. Just tap here and go to settings and allow. We have to tap here allow from this source. Now we have to enable this option. Just tap here to check. Now tap here and click on OK. Now we have allowed from here also. Now you can see, do you want to install this application? Now tap in install. Now it's installing. Let it install and we'll see. Now it's installed here. Now we can click on open. You can see it's loading. So friends, in this video we have seen how to fix app not install issue in Android phone. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.